Wake up. Coffee? Check. News? Check. Your AI giving you a tailored briefing like a tiny digital butler? Also check. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Pulse, a proactive daily brief feature that does overnight research on your behalf and hands you short, swipeable update cards each morning. It pulls from your chat history, saved memories, and any apps you opt to connect, calendar, email, and the like, to surface things you actually care about instead of yesterday's outrage. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, I'm saying it at the top because ChatGPT Pulse might remind you later. Pulse is rolling out in an early preview for ChatGPT Pro mobile users, so not everyone will see it yet. It aims to deliver a handful of concise briefs you can scan in seconds, think 5 to 10 quick cards. And if you're worried about privacy, OpenAI says Pulse runs off your own history and feedback, and won't train models for other people. Why this matters? It flips ChatGPT from a reactive answer machine into a proactive assistant that nudges you toward goals, meetings, and follow-ups without asking for a prompt every time. Why you might worry, anything that reads your calendar and messages to make smart guesses can feel a little uncanny and slightly stalkerish until you set the controls. Bottom line, Pulse looks like a useful way to stop doom scrolling and start the day with intent, if you're a pro mobile user willing to trade a bit of convenience for a lot of tailored help. If you're not pro, try pretending you are and enjoy the fantasy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now go make your coffee smarter.